Hello again everyone. Welcome back to our Real Property Vlogs.
So just 100 meters from the unit that we're gonna showcase, you have a park where your children can play. You can jog, you can walk, you can do your morning yogas. So it's a beautiful lush green vicinity that you get along with this particular unit. So do not wait, come buy it.
ये 500 स्क्वायर बिल्डअप फ्लोर है. दिस इज इन सुशांत रोड 1, राइट नेक्स्ट टू यूको चौक मेट्रो स्टेशन. A very prime premium location. The construction quality, have a look. It's world class. Yes, it is. And the price for this particular property will blow your mind. I'm sure it will. So just stick to us. मैं आपको पूरा इंटीरियर का टूर दूंगा. I'll explain each and everything. हर चीज़ आपको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. आप पूरा व्लॉग देखिए, एंड में हमें बताइए, कॉन्टैक्ट करिए, so that you know we can book a slot for you. आपको व्यूइंग कराएंगे, आपको पसंद आएगा. We'll get you the best deal, best negotiation. So let's go.
So let's start with the interiors. This is the lift lobby. They have glass railing and they have walk-through lights on the steps. Let's go upstairs then. So we are up and they have placed carpet grass just at the entrance of the floor. The walk-through light goes right from the ground floor till the top floor. So now as we enter on one of the floors, they have carpet grass installed. The lift is chandelier, beautiful artifact painting outside the door. Walk-through lights going from the lift lobby till the terrace. So the wood used, जितनी भी लकड़ी यूज़ हुई है, आप ये डोर देखो या फॉल सीलिंग देखो, सब टीक वुड है. One of the A class quality. So they even have a sensor for fans, AC, lights. So everything is based on sensor and this touch. So that's your main foyer as we enter. Beautiful. So these are your running lights on the false ceiling. And as we turn around, this is your dining and drawing. Huge, spacious. Look at the feel of it, elegant, along with that Italian flooring. It's not just Botticino. It's for you people. I will just let you know that it's around 300 square feet of Italian marble. Just look at the quality of the fall ceiling and the feel of this drawing dining. There is a lot of teak wood installed, used in giving the interiors. The fall ceiling is simple and elegant. So this is where you can keep your dining. Your dining will come at this side, and that whole area will be used or can be used as a drawing with your sofa set, center table. So the drawing along with the two rooms in the front are adjoining the balcony, which is the running balcony. So this is the balcony. So the width of the balcony would be around 5.5 to 6 feet. So those are your outer units of the ACs installed. So now let's walk inside. 8 ACs are installed, Daikin AC, 3-star, and then 6 geysers are installed in this particular unit. The layout is just phenomenal. The finishing touch, because it all depends on the finishing. आप चीज़ें कुछ भी लगा लो, अगर वो finish नहीं अच्छी होगी तो उसका कोई matter नहीं करता. So this is the temple room, guys. So now we'll be entering room number 1, as it's a 4 BHK. So this is the first room. Again, every room has a different concept with respect to the interior and the color combination. That's your closet, walk-in closet, huge, spacious, 3 sliding doors walk-in closet adjoining the washroom with a running balcony. That's the rear balcony. It's all Italian marble. It's all, no tiles, no usage of tiles. And that's your adjoining attached washroom. So the fittings in the washroom are all Kohler. तो अब हम चलते हैं रूम नंबर 2 में. बट रूम नंबर 2 के साथ ही एडजॉइनिंग आपका पाउडर रूम है, विच इज अ गेस्ट वॉशरूम. क्योंकि ये 500 गज का यूनिट है तो लेआउट और स्पेस बहुत ज़्यादा निकल आता है. सो दिस रूम हैज़ अ वुडन फ्लोरिंग. इट हैज़ अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बेज with white and grey stripes on the wall and creamy white walls. So now we will walk through the back balcony. So this balcony can be used as for utility areas. For your utility stuff, you can install your washing machine, for drying clothes. So this was the room number 1 and that was your room number 2. So 2 रूम, दोनों के पीछे आपको बालकनी मिलती है अटैच्ड. बाकी के 2 रूम आर इन द फ्रंट साइड. सो अब हम आ गए हैं आगे फ्रंट रूम में, विच इज़ द रूम नंबर 3. Again wooden flooring, UPVC sliding door to go out in the balcony. Installed Daikin AC. See how beautifully they have done this. Running right behind the back of your bed. So same concept in all the rooms, with a walk-in closet and an attached bathroom. हर रूम का सेम कॉन्सेप्ट आपको मिलेगा with enough space. That's the attached bathroom. Toughen glass installed हैं to bifurcate shower area with the dressing area. आपको स्टोरेज के लिए अंदर ड्रॉज भी मिल जाते हैं सिंक के नीचे. And now last but not the least आपका मास्टर बेडरूम. मास्टर बेडरूम में उन्होंने जो इटालियन मार्बल की फ्लोरिंग दी है, दैट इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द फ्लोरिंग दैट इज़ in the drawing and the other rooms. Again, lavish, luxurious, elegant, classy, simple, not too jazzy. सो इस मास्टर बेडरूम के साथ जो आपको बाथरूम मिलता है अटैच्ड, और आपको जो वॉक इन क्लोजेट मिलती है, दैट इज़ डबल द साइज ऑफ द फ्रॉम द अदर रूम्स. सी कई लोग क्वेश्चन करते हैं कि स्टोरेज कम है, बट इसमें स्टोरेज बहुत ज़्यादा है टू स्टोर. सो दैट्स योर जकूजी गाइस. यू गेट अ कपल जकूजी with this particular unit in this master bedroom attached bathroom. Yes, you get your shower unit too, but with a jacuzzi. Now this area can be used as a lounge area right outside the kitchen, or can be used as a dining, and you can use the front area as a whole drawing. So you even have a Daikin AC installed in the kitchen. Just look at the finish. Your chimney and hob installed. So that's a glittery shining granite slab. Your stove and your chimney. Enough storage space to store your spices, crockery. बहुत storage है for the woman of the house to use. Now as we move out of the kitchen, अगर हम किचन से बाहर आएँ तो वही आपको open layout मिलेगा. Again, all the switch buttons are sensor touch. For your fan, for your light, for your ceiling light.
हमने आपको पूरा टूर दिया, दिखाया, सारा इंटीरियर एक्सप्लेन किया. आपको अगर अच्छा लगा हो, प्लीज़ थम्स अप दीजिए, लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए. सब्सक्राइब हम क्यों कहते हैं? बिकॉज हमारी नेक्स्ट वीडियो जब फ्लोट होगी, यू विल बी नोइंग दैट ठीक है, ओह माय गॉड, RVA प्रॉपर्टी ब्लॉग्स की एक और वीडियो आई. So for all the property buyers and all the lovers of RVA property vlogs, do subscribe, do like, and in order to know more about this property, in order to view this property in real, book a slot, contact us, contact on the number mentioned below, and then we're gonna show you this property, and I'm damn sure and I'm guaranteeing you that we'll get you the best deal for this property because it's worth it. So until next time, stay strong. See you.